Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study at University Full Guide. Start by creating a semester plan, prioritizing courses, and setting weekly study goals for consistent progress. Use active study methods like summarizing, self-testing, and spaced review to deepen understanding and recall. Balance focused sessions with regular breaks, seek feedback from professors, and join study groups for motivation. Track progress weekly and adjust techniques to find what works best for your schedule and goals. Begin with short focus sessions using a timer, then expand when concentration improves. Alternate subjects to use varied memory pathways and prevent fatigue. Summarize lectures into concise notes and turn them into practice questions for self-testing. Use flashcards for key terms and diagrams for processes to engage visual memory. Set aside weekly review blocks to revisit older material and integrate new knowledge into bigger course frameworks for durable learning. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more tips. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I use during busy study weeks. They save time and cut down stress. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab yours if interested. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Treat campus time as high value. Prioritize lectures, labs, and tutorials that align with assessment weight. Establish a consistent study location that signals focus to your brain. Limit multitasking and keep devices muted during study blocks to reduce distractions. Break projects into small tasks with deadlines to avoid overwhelm. Seek collaborative review sessions before exams, and combine professor feedback with peer explanations to deepen comprehension and correct misconceptions efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.